Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and look at that, the account back up to $57,000, and we're going to be knocking on $60,000 door pretty soon if we have a couple more days just like today. If we have 2 or 3 more days like today with the account up 6% in one day, we'll get back and recover in a very swift fashion, which I still believe can take place. Today, we're going to be doing a quick stock market update. We're going to be going over some different stocks to be looking out for and to have on your watch list. Okay, so the first one up is Baba, Alibaba. They're up 2.9% on the day, 11% on the week. So we're starting to see Baba actually recover. Here we can see that they hit that support of $111 per share a couple times in the past. So if we see them go down to those levels again, it could be a good idea to start looking into Baba and picking up some shares for long-term traders that are looking to trade above $200 per share in Baba. It could take longer than expected, however, to get back to the $200 per share, anywhere from 6 to 12 months. However, of course, it could happen a lot sooner. Now, next up, we have Tesla to talk about. Not making pretty much any movements today or yesterday, and we have them down 7% still in the past week, down from $1,100. We were seeing a confirmation yesterday and today of Tesla starting to rise up, but it looks like it's starting to flatten out now, so it could definitely head back down to about $800, $900 per share is the entry point that I'm personally looking for, because I think that a swing trade up to $1,200 could be easily achievable for Tesla, and long-term traders could also benefit from that $800, $900 range. Personally, I have 1.5 shares on my trader account, my Robinhood account. We're up 6%, and we have $20 reoccurring buy per day, and it just crossed over a $1 trillion market cap too. And we can read some articles, some headlines here. Tesla analyst hikes price target, says the company can make all other electric vehicle names obsolete. And I kind of agree with that. As of right now, it pretty much does make all of the auto driving vehicles, electric vehicles, obsolete as of right now, with the network, the charging network, the electric vehicle sales they have going on, the range, and really their auto driving feature and all the data that they've collected from all the cameras from all the vehicles on the road is really unmatched. But they have to be careful because a competitor could come up quick with some quick advancements if Tesla doesn't keep their lead. Okay, so here we see Tesla reported earlier this month record deliveries that came in notably above consensus estimates. All right, the Tesla analyst Morgan Stanley, analyst Adam Jonas, maintained an overweight rating on Tesla shares and increased the price target from $1,200 to $1,500 in the next 12 months. The analyst maintained his bear and bull case price targets at $500 per share, which I would probably say is closer to $650 per share in my bear case, and $1,600 for his bull case. All right, the Tesla thesis. There are signs that Tesla is accelerating its lead over the EV peers. Not owning Tesla means not owning one of the companies that could make all other EV names obsolete. And he goes on to say that by 2025, Tesla global EBITDA will likely be greater than the global EBITDA of GM and Ford. All right, combined, the firm said, which would be unheard of and crazy to think about. Morgan Stanley attributed the increased price target for Tesla shares to higher revenue and earnings assumptions, which drive modestly higher valuations from adjacent businesses, including network services, etc. All right, so the higher revenue and the earnings, Tesla becoming a positive earning company and growing their net income can be a huge thing for them. Okay, after that, we have FUBO TV up 9%. I recently just talked about them in my last video. All right, we were talking about buying at $13.50. So make sure you're subscribed with post notifications, because if you missed that video, then unfortunately you missed out on 10 to 15%. And FUBO TV, I think, is going to be our next home run stock. All right, so I talked about them in my close friends list on how they can be the home run stock. I have to do a full video about them on my YouTube channel to see how we can make a home run on FUBO TV and get 100% gain to around $26 per share is where we're looking for FUBO TV. All right, now we have PayPal up 4.8%. So I think that this is one of the last times that we'll see PayPal under $200 per share in 2022. We can see a lot of consolidation over the last about 45 days on PayPal, just straight consolidation and not doing much. I think we'll see a breakout pretty soon in the next few weeks or a couple months. For long-term investors, I think that this is a great buy at the current price. As you can see, I'm pretty heavy in PayPal, $2,700. All right, we're basically flat. Our average cost is $191 with 14 shares, 2.9 portfolio diversity. And we even took a option out on PayPal, and we're up around 41% on the day from just a 5% movement on the stock. So as that continues to rebound and the price continues above $200 per share, my option call on PayPal will continue to grow rapidly and immensely. Lucid's up 7.5%, so Lucid holders are seeing a nice rebound here with about a 20% gain or 30% gain actually if you bought at that $34 price right at the bottom and timed it perfectly. All right, it looks like Lucid is on the way back up to around $50 per share. If this little bit of a market rally continues and this reversal continues and we don't end up with a dead cat bounce. Also, Rivian not doing much, up 1.5%, but it's headed down right now. Looks like it's going to be going negative again, down 30%, and now it's down finally from its IPO of $106. We see them down to $82 per share. We were talking about doing put options on Rivian ever since $150 to $170 per share. So if you took out those put options, Rivian's down around 40 to 50% since we originally took out those put options. So congratulations, you should have made a lot of money on that. And I know some of you guys did take out those put options because you commented in some of the previous videos. So congratulations to anyone who's been making money through my videos. If you want to take it to the next level and if you're ready to get a little bit more serious in 2022 for the stock market, make sure you message me on Instagram. I have a few spots available for my one-on-one coaching mentorship program. All right, and if you want to see some of that success for my one-on-one coaching mentorship program for beginners, here we see success number 4. You can click and read these at your own time. So go to my profile and you can see these highlights. Success number 3, we now have over 500 positive testimonials from students that have seen nothing but success. All right, now's a great time to buy stocks, by the way, because the stock market is down. So you're going to be getting in at a good entry and riding the wave up into new all-time highs when the stock market starts to rebound here in January, February, and March. So here's my Instagram. We're almost at 150,000 followers, by the way. So if you're seeing this and you're not following on Instagram yet, make sure you hit follow because that's a huge milestone, 150,000 followers. So if you're seeing this video and if you were here before 150,000 followers, you're super early because we're still going to be growing into one of the largest pages, one of the largest stock market pages on Instagram. All right, guys, make sure you share this video with a friend if you think that they will find value in it. Make sure you comment below with what you want to see next. Hit that like button and make sure you subscribe with post notifications on. Ring that bell so you're alerted anytime I post a new value-packed video about the stock market. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.